Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Uh, I came up with another solution of a problem that students usually face in the Google Collaboratory. That how can you import the CSV file or data to the Google Collaboratory and do some analysis on that. So let me show you how can you do that. First of all, you have to import pandas library. Okay. And then you can name it whatever you want, and then write this function pd dot read underscore csv and parenthesis. Then go to the file section, and here you can see the sample data. So you just need to copy the path of that sample data which you want to import in your Google Collaboratory. Just copy the path, and under the quotation you paste that path here and run it. Now the data is imported successfully. You can uh, see here. Yeah, it is very simple. So if you guys are facing problem while importing data to Google Collaboratory, you can import like this. Thanks.